All right, the Floyd County Technology Department has pushed out a new extension inside of Google Chrome for all of our users. And just want to show you where it is. It's real simple, but it has a lot of value-packed features. So to show you where it's going to show up in your toolbar, you may notice it here where my cursor is. That's just letting you know that it's activated. Once you go into a Google Meet, as many of you have been doing over the last week or so, you will now see in your Meet toolbar the same icon, and it shows a grid view here, and it's right next to the participants icon and the chat icon. So all you have to do to activate it is, if you look like I have it right now, you can see that it is activated. And what's new and what this does, if you look on my screen, you'll see all the participants in the Meet are now in grid view. This feature did not exist beyond the first 3 to 4 participants. So as you were working with your staff or working with your departments, you had 10, 15, 20 people in there, it would start moving them off to the right into like a grid view on the right. Now it puts them all front and center so you can see all of your participants. So if you're a teacher, you can now see all your students. If you're an administrator, you can see all your staff. So I want to show you real quick what it looks like when you turn it on and off. And there is a little bit of a delay when it turns on and off, so bear with it as it kind of replicates all the video feeds. So right now it's on. By default, it is off. So this is what it looks like when it's off. And if you see now, see how the line goes through there? That lets you know this is normal default view that Google Meet has. And notice how it puts everybody over here to the right. And you have noticed over as whoever's talking or whatever, it will move them to the center. So now to be able to see everybody at one time, if you click here, you now see that the line disappeared and all of my participants are starting to fill the screen back in. So I have 8 total participants, and over the next few seconds, you'll start seeing them pop up in, and you'll eventually get all of your participants into the screen view. And as you can see, my final 2 just popped up. So the more people you have, the extra second or 2 it may take to get them in there, but I have confirmed with Nathan. He used it this morning with a group of teachers, had 17 people in it, and all 17 went in there. I do not know the limitations. If it's over 50, the limitation is right now for me, it's 250. So we can make an assumption that it'll hold 250 views at one time. So just wanted to share this with you. If you have any questions, please reach out to one of your instructional technologists and they can walk you through the process. And I hope this is helpful for everybody.